Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing 3 to 5 ripe fruits with different textures. Think apple, berry, citrus, and melon, because contrast gives interest. Once chosen, wash and pat dry. Chilling them briefly firms fruit and prevents soggy salad. Now make uniform 1/2 to 1 inch cuts with a sharp knife so every spoonful feels balanced. While you slice, remove cores, pits, and membranes. This keeps bitterness out and makes the final mix pleasant to eat. Once fruit is cut, you build flavor and stability. Squeeze 1 to 2 tablespoons of citrus juice over the bowl to brighten flavors and slow oxidation. This is why citrus is crucial. If your fruits need a lift, add 1 teaspoon honey or 1 tablespoon sugar and a pinch of salt to enhance natural sweetness. Then fold gently with a large spoon. Careful mixing preserves texture and prevents fruits from becoming mushy, which keeps the salad visually appealing. To finish, you chill the salad 20 to 30 minutes so flavors meld and texture firms up. Serve cold for best refreshment. Just before serving, scatter mint, a dollop of yogurt, or toasted nuts to add herbal, creamy, or crunchy contrast. This is why toppings matter. If the salad becomes soggy, drain off excess juice, pat fruit dry, and toss with a little fresh citrus to revive brightness. Taste and adjust sweetness or acidity once more, then serve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.